Hi guys. So I figured I would make a second video in my second favorite place in my apartment. Actually no, probably the main place that I like the most is the fridge. Okay, so this is the routine, right? You open it and you look inside, then you close it, right? And then 5 to 10 minutes later, you repeat the same action and somehow hope that something will turn up that you actually want to eat, right? Okay, so yes, that's my routine when it comes to the kitchen. I have some drunken pandas because my friend saw it in Japan and it reminded her of me. Does it remind you of me? I don't know. Okay. Anyway, so on the agenda today, aside from me bending over awkwardly for the stupid camera angle, I'm gonna make a smoothie because, you know, I'm trying to be healthier. I'm trying to lose around like 9 to 10 pounds. Whether that'll actually happen, I have no idea. It took me, I don't know, maybe like over a year to gain this weight. So I'm not anticipating it to just like slim me down really quickly. Slim me down? Slim me down? Why do I do that? Why? Slim. I still like that bar. I think most people like that shape bar now, right? Okay. Anyway, let's get started. Let's make a smoothie. And I have skeptical taste in music. But most people that know me directly know that, right? Okay, anyway, let's get it. Let's get it. Start. Cup. Freshly washed. Looks kind of gross. Disregard that. Step 2. Super ripe banana. Seriously, guys. I don't know why I do this to myself, right? So this is what I do. I buy really cheap bananas. They'll be like $1 for a pack of like 5 of them. And generally I can't finish them because I'm just like, what is this? Like, why? I can't do it. Why don't you just like trash them? But then part of me is just like, you know, a banana deserves to be enjoyed also, right? Okay, so you're just gonna peel, and drop. Yes, so add the banana, regardless of how ripe it is. If it's too ripe but it's really unsalvageable, don't do that because then your smoothie is just gonna be gross. Ew, sorry, my bad. My apologies, my banana was a little ripe. Oh, why do I say things like this? Hell. Okay, so then what I like doing, adding some berries because, you know, just a banana smoothie by itself. Wow, this visual is great. Sorry guys, I'm kind of ridiculous. Okay, like it's just how I am. Need my whiteboard. Berries. Okay, not blueberries, but blackberries. You know, improvising. And I don't wash my berries before I shove them into my smoothies because I figure, you know, enhance that immune system you got going on there. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just lazy. I'm not gonna lie. So add some of your berries. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Nice. Oh, what's this? Almond milk. Oh, I have kefir also. My kefir expired. No fear, no kefir. That's what I did there. Shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Okay? That's what you got here. Add that almond milk. Right. And then add some ice cubes just because I find that just way more refreshing. Slide to the left. Put your paste to the side, get it all night. Skeptical. I might regret saying that at some point in my life. Not today. Not today. 3 cubes. Makes it nice and icy. Oh, I have frozen mango. You guys think I should put in frozen mango? I'll put some frozen mango. Okay guys, I'm doing something new for you. Hopefully this turns out pretty good. And I didn't eat the ice cubes. Okay, fine. This is what we'll do. Because, you know, I'm the smart ass. Poor ice cube lost its life. Okay, we'll leave one for now. Okay, so when it comes to bananas, I feel like when it comes to digestion, they really help that out. If you know what I mean. You know, like how that banana kind of looked like a log. Like, you see where I'm going with this, right? Do you? Do you not? If not, you know, that's just me being like twisted and that. Sorry, too much arm up in your face. Okay. Now, oh, before you start this recipe, I should advise you should probably have a blender of some sort. Because I feel like if you're just sitting here and trying to like mash it with a fork, it's not gonna get the correct texture. So just a disclaimer. Yes. So I dropped a peeler. Another thing you should know about me, I'm a huge klutz. Huge. Ridiculously large. Like I don't look that large, but when it comes to klutziness, like there's an aura about my klutziness, okay? Okay, so I have, yeah, get that power. What is wrong with me? Actually, don't answer that either. You rude bitch, go light it up. Oh, you gotta listen to music like this. I'm sketchy, guys. I really am. I don't know. If you're on this part of the internet, I'm sorry. Right? Okay, time to blend. Whew, sorry, guys. And you'll hear all the fruit kind of like being strangled to death. Yeah, you'll hear all the fruit being strangled to death. That's how you know it sacrificed its life for you. That poor old banana. Come on! And turboing too. What is this? Pretty good. Okay. This is good. Clean out my system. Sorry. Okay, now for cleanup. Not too bad. Okay. And if you don't want to be ghetto like me and drink out of this cup, then put it into another cup. And voila, good to go. Hey. Let's see. Should I be fancy? Fine, I'll be fancy. Trying to get tasty wet. Sorry guys. I told you, I have skeptical tasting music. Okay, so after you're done blending, I would suggest, rinsing whatever vessel you used. Rinsing whatever vessel you used out quickly, so that way all the fruity body parts, all the fruity goodness on the side doesn't accumulate and die. And me being super ghetto, I have no straws. So I stole one from one of the iced coffees that I bought. That's in my fridge. Guys, thanks for the mango advice. Mango inspiration. Anyway, please hit subscribe wherever the crap that button is. I'm working on this. I'm working on getting more of a YouTube presence. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the smoothie. It's not really a recipe. It's just throwing a bunch of things in and blending, and don't use a fork. Okay, loves.